At some point, people stop getting excited about getting older. I'm not there just quite yet, and in most cases I think age is just a number. But let's remember the milestones of growing up. 16, driver's license. 18, nicotine and lotto. 21, bars and liquor. 25. 25 is one of those milestones people sometimes forget. Okay, here's the story. We woke up way too damn early to turn on the camera, so we'll just start this in the airport. We weren't flying anywhere, but it is the only car rental place in town that's open at 6 a.m. This trip, even though not a long cross-country road trip, was still one of my favorite birthdays I've ever spent. So what happened is we had like a Dodge Caravan, so the minivan, and all of them are recalled. So now we're in a Suburban, so let's go. There isn't much more in life that makes me more happy than friends. I started by picking up some of those friends that were available to join us and headed for a nature preserve just an hour down the road. On the way to our next stop, we found this covered bridge that I had to ride my boosted board through. The river was super flooded, but it wasn't quite to the bridge yet. Family plays such a strong role of making you who you are. But I think equally your friends shape you too. They make you more whole. My friends anyway. No matter how much time we spend apart, we always end up feeling like we never left each other's side. The more time we spend as a group, the closer we become. Not everyone could come on this little trip, but I just want this little video to be my thank you to all of those friends. Not just the ones that can make it, but all of them. It's easy to forget how important these people are in your life. We had a great little lunch on the lake, and in town we met a guy that told us we couldn't leave this area of the state without seeing one thing. finished off our trip at a brewery in Milwaukee, tasting some interesting beers and just relaxing from our so-called road trip. This trip really had no final destination other than home. But I do hope next time we could fill a 15-person van and go way farther.